Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. In my video today I'll be showing you how I made my Christmas wreath using all pound items. So let's jump right into it. So the things you'll need are your scissors, a wreath ring, and also you will need loads of Christmas decoration depending on what you want to put on your wreath. I have no idea what I'll be putting, so I just place a few stuff on the table and then I'm just gonna pick from it. So all these things are £1 each. Right, so first of all I get one of the wreath rings, and these garlands I got them from Wilko. They are £1.50 each or 3 for 2, so you can get 3 and you only pay £2 for the 3, so it's a good deal. So what I've done is there's a little wire in the garland, so what I've done, I've just knit it onto the wiring, and then from there I just start feeding it through the outer ring of the wreath ring just to keep it, you know, in place. And I don't want it to be too slender, so I'll be going around it with a few. And then this is what it looks like after I've done the first half of it. And I'm gonna go back again because I want it to look fuller and also thicker. And as you can see, I use 2 pieces, which is 2 meters on one, or 2 meters on each. So I've used 4 meters in total. And then from there, I use one of these smaller garland that I got from the works. I mentioned before they're 8 for £1, and I just connect it from one end of the wreath ring inside and then just attach it to the next section. As you can notice that you can use any side of the wreath because it looks really nice on any side. This bow I got it from Sam 99, and I'm just going to attach it to the wreath ring and then also just knot it where possible, or not just where possible, where I feel it's okay. And there I go, and I use my scissors just to clip it off. You just want to be very careful and then just adjust it into the position that you want or to the place that you want it to stay. And there we go. So the ribbon is too long, so I'm just folding one section of the ribbon, and then I'm just going to use my scissors just to kind of give it like a thin tail, depending on how long you want it. But as you can see, it was quite long and I don't want it to be that long. And then I just use my scissors just to kind of shape it up and just to kind of get it a little bit more shorter. And there we go. I'm loving it already. Right, these Christmas items, I got them from a new pound store which is open in Edmonton Green. It is called One Below. They have awesome Christmas stuff. And what I've done, I just place one on each side. I end up using 2. They've got little pine cones and little cherries on the end, and it looks awesome. There we go. Right, these Christmas bulbs, I actually got them as well from One Below. So what I've done, they're like little sweets, but I kind of use this one with it looks encrusted with glitters and stuff, and I think it will look cute, so I put it in the center of the wreath and it looks nice. Then I'm just using my hand just to fluff out, you know, and just to make everything sit in place so it looks nice. On the sides, I use the gold sweets bubbles to kind of give it a different look. So what I've done, I just use one of the cherries, put it on the end of the sweet, and then just attach it to the wreath ring so it kind of sits and it won't wobble. You see me using the bow to kind of keep it in place, but I'll be using something else to keep it there. I've put it a few acorns. No, pine. I put a few pines. So what I've done, I just use the garland just to hold it in place because this is quite heavy and I don't want it to fall off. So after I've attached it with the smaller garland, I just wrap it around and then just attach it to the wreath. And there I picked up this £1 light from the Pound Land in Turnpike Lane, and then I just wrap it around, and then as you can see, I use it just to hold the sweet in place so nothing wobbles, nothing shakes. It's just there and it sits really nice. And there we go. This is the end result. I really love it. I just clip it on. It needs 2 AA battery to operate, so you might want to get a few from the Poundland. And then this is what it looks like on my door inside. It was quite late, so I didn't want to go outside because it was quite cold as well, so I just hang it on my door inside, and I'm really loving it. It looks awesome. You cannot tell that I've actually made this. So in total I used this would cost me around £4, and I'm sure this is I couldn't get this for £4 in the store. I'm sure a lot more. So you get a bargain, and then also you are able to change stuff around, put things the way you want it, so you don't just buy something that is there already. You can put your touch onto it, which is awesome. Really, really awesome. And I like the idea of adding stuff, taking stuff off, and making it your own. And you can give it to any member of the family or friends, as a nice Christmas present. And then this is what it looks like on my door outside. It is freezing cold, so I am sorry I didn't get to do a good shot. I am trying to get a good shot, but it's not happening because I'm freezing and I just came out in my sandals. But anyway, then this is what it looks like, and it looks awesome. Totally awesome. Guys, please tell me if this is something that you'd go for, and tell me if this is something that you really enjoy. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye.